In Cambodia's heart, where temples ascend, and Chormyut's glory a story to lend. Land of Mekong's embrace, fertile and grand, a culture rich held within its sand. Mesmerizing Cambodia, with a spirit so deep. Ancient Dharma teachings, secrets they keep. From Angkor stone whispers to monks in their robes, compassion and wisdom where serenity probes. Beyond serene smiles, a lesson untold, mindfulness practiced, worth more than gold. Apsara dancers with movements so light, reflect inner balance, a beautiful sight. Mesmerizing Cambodia, with a spirit so deep. Ancient Dharma teachings, secrets they keep. From Angkor stone whispers to monks in their robes, compassion and wisdom where serenity probes. Beyond serene smiles, a lesson untold, mindfulness practiced, worth more than gold. Apsara dancers with movements so light, reflect inner balance, a beautiful sight. Mesmerizing Cambodia, with a language that sings of Dharma's gentle touch on the wind it swings. From silk thread so fine to rice paddies vast, tranquility's essence, a beautiful sight. Monasteries nestled in emerald green offer a refuge where peace can be seen. From meditation's practice, a path to explore in inner liberation forevermore. Mesmerizing Cambodia, with a spirit that's strong, the Dharma's soft echo in their graceful song. From ancient traditions to modern day stride, the Khmer spirit forever as a guide. Let temple bells ring, a Dharma-filled song, for the mesmerizing Cambodia where it belongs. A land where serenity forever takes hold, Dharma's gentle touch more precious than gold.